Guys, the Tech Doctor Graphics here. Okay, so we're back with another video today, and today we'll be mainly focusing on the polygonal lasso tool. The lasso tool we're focusing on, guys. Alright, so with the lasso tool, what it does, it lets you trace around objects. Alright, it lets you trace to select a specific area. Alright, so it's not a square, not a circle, make you trace. So as you know, this channel is a learning channel. All right, we'll be focusing on everything in Photoshop. Before we get to the designing aspect and the pretty up and everything, we'll be focusing on the tools, all right, that will use. All right, so you will just just stay with us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our videos. Okay, help us build this channel. All right, guys. So today we have this little gift box that we gonna use um in our presentation. All right. So this here is a lasso tool. It's a third tool on the toolbar. All right, guys. So let's go. Let's do our tracing, guys. All right. So we're here now with the polygonal lasso tool. Just take it. It's like tracing around or or object that we want. All right, guys. So we'll be tracing it to make a selection to put it around to put it on another image that we're gonna use. All right. So just take your time. You don't have to haste. All right. You want to get it perfect, so you take your time and just trace around it. Just trace around it because it's very easy, guys. This one is very easy. Trust me. Just take your time and just make a selection. You don't have to pretty see. Get your object selected. All right. So what you can do now, you go to edit, copy, or command command J on the Mac or control J on Windows. Alright, guys, so what you do now, I'm going to take it to my object, and you have to go to edit, select paste. Wow, here we have our cutout right here. I'm going to use our move tool. Alright, so we're going to hold on shift, click the edge of it, and just scale it down, guys. Scale it down, and we're going to put it right here. What we want to do for realistic purposes, so we'll drop it right here. We're gonna just use some drop shadows, but we will get into this. But let's use some drop shadows to get it like it's really there, guys. But as we said, we're gonna touch everything we're gonna touch on this, guys. So we're gonna just use our or drop shadows so they just get a realistic look on it, guys. All right, just to get a realistic look on it and thing. All right, so this is what we just do, but we're gonna go through all everything, so you will learn about drop shadow in due time. So here you go, guys. We have ourselves a selection. We made that selection, guys. All right, guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so we will back with another video tomorrow, because every single day we'll be pushing out content. Alright, because we want to teach you guys on how to learn graphic designing and how to use Photoshop. Alright, guys, so see you tomorrow, and you have a good one. God bless.